I put a lot of effort into making these videos. A lot of people are watching the videos and not subscribing to the channel. Just don't want to come out. And there's, oh, that's it, that's. Hello and welcome to The Fix, and today we're going to replace the rear shocks, air shocks, on this Cadillac SRX 2009 model 4.6 V8 petrol. So let's have a look at what we got to put in. Got these rear shocks, and we're going to replace them on this car. So let's start with the job. Yeah, I think these two studs of the shock are located somewhere